Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the specific past week, acquiring 4.18%, which really is very huge. The cost of Axie vastness essentially has fallen by 0.15% in the past 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. As far as Axie support floor, it especially is presently $10.21 in an unpretentious manner. Axie in a real sense has its kind of next obstruction at $11.87, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 29th of May 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and most certainly attempt to answer these much of the time in every way that really matters. Got clarification on some pressing issues. What truly is momentary cost expectation for Axie limitlessness? All things considered, is Axie an excellent interest in every way that really matters, enormous way. Axie endlessness support and obstruction levels and so forth in a for the most part huge manner. Yet, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Axie specialized examination, most certainly allowed us really to discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they especially thought. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1.150,973,041,636, showing how Axie really has its really next obstruction at $11.87 in an unobtrusive manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $33,001,951,281, showing how market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours. There most certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1.150,973,041,636, showing how Axie sort of has its by and large next obstruction at $11.87, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which really is very huge, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value lessening of 1.15%, coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, showing how Axie endlessness support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they explicitly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period in a significant manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, which for the most part shows that Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a really significant way. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market is going in a descending bearing for extremely present moment, which explicitly shows that the especially all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $33,001,951,281, showing how market examination over the last 24 hours. There explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,150,973,041,636, showing how Axie really has its most certainly next opposition at $11.87, which most certainly is genuinely huge. As of now, a sort of broad extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so the kind of complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $33,001,951,281, showing how market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,150,973,041,636, showing how Axie fundamentally has its essentially next opposition at $11.87 in a sort of significant manner. Axie endlessness backing and obstruction backing and opposition are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a significant manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers certainly become in every practical sense more kind of dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling, and especially further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants really become move pretty dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they for the most part thought. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Axie limitlessness, Axie vastness execution. The very everyday graph of Axie endlessness basically shows that the Axe cost especially has a truly descending development with a 0.5% reduction in by and large beyond 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market while Ethereum, in every way that really matters, has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally is very critical. The value worth of the Axie boundlessness coin basically is remaining at $7.21 with market capitalization $843,031,336 USD in an unpretentious manner. Axe cost changes 4.18% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is floating around $63,794,287 USD, exhibiting how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 1.15%, coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, showing how Axie limitlessness support and opposition levels and so forth, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness value examination Axe cost investigation for the 29th of May 2023 inside a truly day-to-day time span truly made sense of underneath, exhibiting how the especially all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $33,001,951,281, showing how market investigation over the especially last 24 hours. There most certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,50973,041,636, showing how Axe really has its by and large next obstruction at $11.87 in an unpretentious manner. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving really normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving pretty normal and dramatic moving truly normal to break down the future development of the Axie limitlessness in a genuinely enormous manner fundamentally. The Axie vastness in a real sense has explicitly break all. It certainly upholds levels, and things in a real sense are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market. As of now, certainly bears in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively really take Axe cost underneath the critical help level of $10.21, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The MACD line sort of is remaining underneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid, showing how the value worth of the Axie vastness coin generally is remaining at $7.21 with market capitalization $843,031,336 USD in a sort of large manner. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day outline, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, ENB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, which most certainly is genuinely huge. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging